In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of a device in Hostinger. If you need to safely sign out of your Hostinger account, this process is very quick and simple. Logging out is especially useful if you're using a shared computer, a public device, or if you just want to make sure your account stays secure after you're done working. To get started, open your Hostinger account. Make sure you're already signed in so you can access the account dashboard. Once the account page has fully loaded, take a moment to look around the screen and locate your profile area. This is usually where account-related settings and options are grouped together, so it's the place you'll need for signing out. Next, click on your profile. After selecting it, a menu or account panel should appear with different options related to your account. This area is where you can manage basic settings and access actions connected to your current session. From here, look for the Log Out option. If you don't see it right away, scroll down through the menu carefully. In some versions of the interface, the Log Out button may appear lower in the list, so it can be easy to miss at first glance. Just continue scrolling until you find it. Once you see the Log Out option, simply click it. As soon as you do that, Hostinger will sign you out of the device you're currently using. After logging out, you'll typically be redirected to the login page or the main Hostinger website, which confirms that the session has ended successfully. That's all you need to do. The process is straightforward. Open your Hostinger account, click your profile, scroll down to find the Log Out option, and click it. As a quick tip, always make sure you've finished any important work before logging out, especially if you are editing settings or managing websites. It's also a good habit to log out anytime you're using a device that isn't your own, since that adds an extra layer of protection for your account. And that's how to log out of a device in Hostinger. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll be able to sign out quickly and keep your account more secure.